Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself frustrated because your Wix website header mysteriously disappeared or isn't showing up correctly over your page content, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but often overlooked fix that will help you bring your header forward so it beautifully overlaps your page content again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your header visible and have your site looking the way you intended. Let's get straight into it. First, head over to your Wix site editor and make sure you're on the page where your header is missing or not displaying correctly. Now, you want to focus on the header area itself. The header is usually right at the top across every page. You'll notice it's set apart from the regular page content below. Next, within your header, take a close look and select the specific element that seems to be overriding or blocking the other elements. This is really important because in Wix, sometimes different items, like images, logos, menu bars, or even hidden shapes, can end up layered on top of one another in ways you didn't intend. If your menu or logo isn't showing, there's a good chance another element is sitting in front of it, sort of like how one card can cover another in a stack. Click on the element that you suspect is causing the issue. You might need to use the Layers panel, or just click carefully if there's overlap. Now, here's where we adjust the stack order. Right-click directly on the element that's overlapping others. If you see multiple items layered on top of each other, Wix will usually highlight the elements within the header so you can tell what's stacking where. Take your time here. You don't want to accidentally select something in the background that isn't the troublemaker. Once you have the problematic element selected, look for the Arrange option. When you click it, you'll find a choice called Send to Back. What this does is move that element underneath the others in the header, just like sliding the card to the bottom of the pile. This simple action can be a total game changer because it fixes the visibility order inside your header and allows the intended elements, like your menu or logo, to shine through on top. That's it. After you've sent the troublesome item to the back, you should immediately see your header restored, overlapping the page content below exactly how you designed it. If it isn't showing up just yet, double-check that all the right header elements are in front and nothing else is still covering them. Sometimes a quick refresh of the preview or even the published page helps confirm your changes. Just remember, if you're ever stuck with overlapping or missing header parts, this arranging technique works not just for headers, but anywhere on your site where elements are stacked out of order. Don't worry if this feels fiddly at first. Wix's drag-and-drop tools are quite forgiving, and you can always undo and redo until it looks perfect. Alright, if this tutorial helped you get your Wix header looking sharp again, consider giving this video a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into a weird issue with your Wix editor, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Wix tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.